This tutorial will show you how to put in scanned assignments, such as math projects that are typically done on paper. You're watching the version that will show you how to put in JPEG files. However, I do recommend that if you can, try to watch the PDF version of this tutorial and put in your assignment as a PDF, just because it is more versatile than a JPEG would be, and it's a lot easier than putting in JPEG files for your assignment, but sometimes you just have to use a JPEG, and that's what this tutorial is for. So to start, make sure that when you have your assignment scanned in, it is scanned in as a JPEG. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And when this is done, make sure you just check every single page to make sure everything is there and in the correct orientation and order and so on. Then I recommend that you guys serialize this. So we'll just give this a name. And you can choose how many digits you want. Then that will order the pages for you. That way you can keep track of which goes first. Then go ahead and click on Save. Now you're ready to put this on your portfolio. Choose a page where you want to place it. If it is a course page like I have here, make sure you have the proper title and image and either course description or maybe your own introduction here. Then you can skip down to assignments and click on edit. So this first option I'm showing you because this box is already here. It's not the method that I prefer, but again, I recommend using a PDF. So this first option, go ahead and click on this button here, Insert Media. Choose your file, and you have to put in each separately. So choose your first file, and then just leave the alignment alone and insert. Then go ahead and resize this so it's an appropriate size for you. Then click away so that this isn't blue anymore, and then add your second page and so on. So you'll just repeat until you have all the pages of your assignment. And if you leave this blue and insert the next assignment, it's going to replace this. So if you find that you're missing a page, that's probably why. And then you also have to make sure this is as close as your other files, so just make sure everything is properly sized. And finally, add the last page here. So you would just keep going until you have all your pages. Another reason why I don't recommend this is because you have to stack each page and it gets pretty long. So if you can, try to use the next method that I'm showing you, or like I said, try to put it in as a PDF. Once you have all your pages in, go ahead and save and then publish and publish changes. Then you can view text to see your assignment here. And so like I said, it is a little bit long to get to, but that's one option if you don't want to use the, if you want to use this module here. So now I'm going to delete these and show you the other option. So the other option is for you to just leave this alone with the signature assignment as the title. Go ahead and save and publish this. So this will just act as a title for us here. Go to the top and add a module. You want a gallery this time. Click on Add this module. And then go ahead and drag this gallery underneath your signature assignments module. And then you can go ahead and add media. Choose your files. And this time you can actually just choose all your files at the same time. Make sure they all are complete before you click on Done. Then you can go ahead and play around with this. So you can add more pages if you forgot some. You can choose the layout of your thumbnails here. You can organize this, and usually the thumbnails will show up, but if it doesn't, then just wait a little bit and they will show up. Same thing with this here. Usually the images will show up eventually. It might just be a little bit slow. But yeah, you can move these around. You can link the slides. You can change the slides or the images if you want to. And so you would just re-upload that. You can change or add captions if you want to. Just make sure you save it. And finally, you can delete that slide or, sorry, that image if you want to. Once you're happy with what you have, go ahead and just click on Publish and then Publish Changes. Then you can click on View Gallery to flip through your pages here, and so on. So this is nice because you don't have to scroll down so far. You can just flip through the pages. But those are your options for putting in a scanned file that has been saved as a JPEG. Thanks for watching.